In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Asana desktop app. Whether you're using a Mac or Windows computer, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get started with Asana on your desktop. First, we need to visit the official Asana download page. To do this, open your web browser and head over to asana.com download. This is the direct link to access the downloads for both Mac and Windows versions of the Asana app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection as we will be downloading a file shortly. Once you're on the page, you'll see two prominent options, download for Mac and download for Windows. Choose the option that corresponds to your operating system. If you're using a Mac, click on download for Mac. For Windows users, click on download for Windows. This will begin the downloading process of the installer file to your computer. Keep an eye on your browser to watch the download progress, as it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder or wherever your files typically save automatically. You should see a new file there, usually labeled something like Asana Installer. Now the next step is to open this installer file. Double-click on the file to run it. This action will initiate the installation process of the Asana desktop app. On-screen instructions will appear, guiding you through the installation steps. Take your time to read these instructions carefully and follow them accordingly to ensure a smooth setup. One of the advantages of installing the Asana desktop app is the sync and export feature, which you'll notice during the setup process. Not only does this app allow you to organize and manage your tasks efficiently, but it also gives you the flexibility to sync with other tools and export your data as needed. This is especially handy if you're working in a team or handling multiple projects simultaneously. So be sure to explore these options once you've installed the app. Upon completing these instructions, the installation will be finalized and you'll have successfully downloaded and set up the Asana desktop app. You can now click on the Asana icon on your desktop or search for it from your applications menu to open and start using it. And that's it. You've now equipped yourself with the ability to manage tasks seamlessly from your desktop environment. We hope this guide is helpful, and as